In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor for WordPress. Elementor is a powerful page builder that allows you to create stunning websites with ease, even if you don't have any coding skills. So, let's dive right in and get Elementor set up on your WordPress site. First things first, we need to log into your WordPress admin area. To do that, open your web browser and head over to the URL of your website and add JWP admin at the end. That should take you right to the login page. Enter your username and password and click on the login button to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main admin page, which is like mission control for your website. Now that you're logged in, we're going to head over to the Plugins section. Look for the Plugins menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. When you hover over it, you'll see a few options pop up. Click on Add New. This will take you to the Plugins page where you can discover and install new plugins to enhance your website's functionality. On the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar on the top right corner. Here is where the magic starts. Type in Elementor Website Builder and hit Enter. You'll see a list of plugins appear. The one we want should be right at the top, created by Elementor. You can't miss it. When you find it, you'll see a button that says Install Now. Go ahead and click on that button. The installation process will begin, and within a few moments, your screen will refresh, indicating that the plugin is installed. But hold on, we're not done yet. Installing is only half the battle. We need to activate the plugin to put it to work. After installation, the Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once activated, you'll likely see a new menu item labeled Elementor in the admin sidebar. This is where you can start experimenting with Elementor's features and start crafting beautiful pages. And that's it. You've successfully installed Elementor on your WordPress site. From here, you can start building pages by navigating through the Elementor menu and exploring various templates and widgets they offer. Remember, Elementor is known for its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, which makes designing a breeze. As you start using it, you'll notice how intuitive and flexible it is, opening up a world of possibilities for your site design. And there you have it. The process of installing Elementor onto your WordPress site made simple. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy designing with Elementor.